We got Grit. If you're new to the channel, for those of you that do not know, the oyster shell, you feed that to your hens when they're laying eggs. It gives them stronger, healthier eggs. And as for the grit helps them with their digestive system and helps break down the food when they're free ranging, and they pick up little pebbles and things off the ground. Well, here's the new water jug I made for the girls. Looks good. If you want to see a more detailed video on the water jug with these water cups, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom, because I did another video where I go more in detail and where I got the cups and how to feed the hens. Easier way where you don't have to come out every single morning. And I will leave a link in the description of these water cups that I installed on this big water jug here. Okay, so it's been 3 days now and the girls, they're laying eggs, and so I don't know if there's an embryo in any of the eggs yet. They haven't been sitting in there and keeping the eggs warm or doing their job, so I'm not sure if there's any chicks in there. So I'm not sure if there's any embryo in the egg yet, but I have to wait about 5 to 6 days, and I'll show you how I'll do that. Basically, you just take a flashlight, something probably strong like with LEDs, and you go in the dark and you shine it under the egg, and you'll see either if there's yolk or you'll see if there's an embryo in the egg. So there's the eggs. 2 of them are training eggs, and of course the white one is, and there's another one in there that's just a training egg. So I'm gonna get another basket made up, and to make it more comfortable for them. Usually the hens like to share the same basket. It's only 2 of them in this side of the chicken coop. As you can see, this one got into a fight because they're still trying to get their pecking order right with the other hens, but not yet. So I'm gonna split this chicken coop in 2, just so they'll be safer, and then when I'm home I can monitor them and let them free range together, and hopefully in a few weeks they'll get along, because it's just been fight after fight lately. So I'm gonna put some better bedding for the hens. So I'm down to 2. I'm gonna have to take a trip to Tractor Supply pretty soon. Yeah, so I hate to have them separate. I prefer them sleeping in the nicer, warmer coop over here. But until they get along, it's just gonna have to be like this. Okay, so these are the new hen eggs. You can see they're a lot lighter than my other girls and smaller. Let's see, this is one of their eggs they laid the other day, and here's the other girls. The color's different, the size is different. Now, another thing I want to point out is the day that I brought the new girls home, one of my older hens laid an egg this color. That's not the normal color. I'm curious, was this due to stress? Because usually they lay eggs every single day, but the one laid this egg and the other hen didn't even lay an egg. But this is what usually the color is, and that's what they laid the day I brought the new girls home. So still to this day, it's been 7 days now, and the hens, they still don't have their pecking order right. They're always getting into fights, but I'll start recording some of that because eventually they have to learn how to live together. If you want to stay updated and see how that process goes, like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.